How to reset WhatsApp settings to default. Hello, everyone. My name is Smile, and in this video, I'm here to guide you through the steps to reset your WhatsApp settings to default. Stick around until the end to get it right and avoid missing any important details. Step 1. Back up your WhatsApp chats. 1. Open WhatsApp. 2. Tap the 3 vertical dots at the top right corner. 3. Select Settings, then scroll down to Chats. 4. Scroll again and tap on Chat Backup. 5. Enable Include Videos and Backup over cellular if needed. 6. Tap Backup to secure your chats. Step 2. Clear data and reset settings. 1. Go to your device settings. 2. Scroll down and select Apps. 3. Search for WhatsApp and tap on it. 4. Go to Storage and clear both cache and data. 5. Tap Force Stop to reset the app completely. Final step. Open WhatsApp again. When you open WhatsApp, it will be restored to default settings, ready for a fresh setup. Why this matters? Resetting your app can help solve glitches, free up storage, or just give you a clean slate. If this video helped you, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.